Hi, Shaira.
Hi. Hi, good morning. Welcome to our channel, Zambales Philippines. It's Friday, April 18, 2025, and it's Friday, Good Friday. And I'm going to Zambales with my family, and Dayon stay in home because he's not feel not good yet. That's why only me we will take video in Zambales.
So guys, this video Shaira will filming. She have camera, I will stay in home. I need more time for recovery. I want also go to Zambales. It's good beach. Long time I not been in Zambales. I hope maybe when I recover full, we can go with Shaira together. Zambales, also Subic maybe. Traveling. I very want traveling in the Philippines.
Hi, good morning. We're here already in San Antonio, Zambales, and I'm with my family, and I will show you the surrounding here. This is the place of my sister friend. That's big lot also here. They own this land. Have swimming pool also here. This their house, 1, 2, 3. And later I will gonna show you outside. Good morning. I'm going outside right now. We will take a look outside. Same in Bicol also. But here not so many people, not so many houses because it's like lots only here. That's it. So silent here. Fresh air here also, and not so polluted here. This is the place where we staying right now. Hi, good afternoon. We're going to beach with my family right now. You can see. Do I look beautiful? Let's go. Let's go.
Ang init sobra.
Guys, we're here already in beach. Hello. We're going again inside because we have a cottage. So let's go. We're heading to our cottage. They're so beautiful and sexy. And this is cottage. What better, in Bataan or here? Now we're gonna show to you, to all our subscribers, how it's beautiful here. Look, it's beautiful here. Here. pa. Small sand. Small stones. So, everything in so many people. Same in Bataan also, but their what is this name? Their island or their beach here, it's a little bit far from the cottage. This is the cottage. It's almost 2,000 pesos. So, this is the island or the beach here in Zambales. They said little bit like
Wow, mali pala tayo.
I see it, so many people here.
Pero dito tayo banda to. Dito tayo banda. Dito ang bagsak ng araw. Tara.
Same in what is this? Yun. Their wave here, it's so big. Their sun here is so big. Same in Pattaya, Thailand. But here it's little, it's in little bit rather than in Pattaya. Oh, this is the mountain. There are two mountains there. 1 and 2. This is my sister. And cousin. Ay, not cousin. My sister friend. They're so beautiful, right? Oh, what's that?
Huwag kang matakot. Huwag kang matakot.
Hi, say hi. Hi.
Mami, huwag ka nang takot. Yan. Takot kasi eh.
Aliligo na sila. Liga na sila. One, two, three. Tapa, 1, 2, 3. Tapa, 1, 2. for the sunset. We are just waiting for the sun to set.
Diyan ka lang.
Hi, good morning. It's the view here in morning in beach here in Zambales. Hello, good morning. I'm gonna show to you the beach from morning here in Zambales. So many people again, even it's morning already. They use here some what name? Cottage here, like, and also this type of cover or house. We're gonna take a look. Oh, banana boat. The banana boat also here. Let's go. Soon we're going home. It's big mountain, three island there. One, two, three. We're heading back in our cottage. This they call it tent, right? I forgot. Say hi.
Hi.
So say bye-bye to Zambales. See you next time again, Zambales.